What's up, guys? In this video, I don't know why I have this, is kind of stupid, but in this video, I'm gonna be forging with the coal forge for the first time. So let's get to it. All right, so here's the coal forge I made a little bit ago. It's kind of not the greatest, but still kind of cool. Has your blower right there. That's where you're gonna hook up air. That's just an old propane tank, and that's where you have your coal and stuff in there. It's kind of cool little thing. Air comes in through there. Never tried it. No idea if it works, but I think it'd be cool to see if it works. So let's go get some coal, and then we're gonna start it up. All right, guys. So this is a train track behind my house, and so I'm just hoping that we're gonna be able to find some coal and just stick it in this bucket. Let's get started. Okay, this kind of sucks getting coal. We have maybe, no, you can't really see through it. We have like a tenth of a bucket full right now. I'm trying to go for like 3/4 of a bucket full. I don't know about you, this sucks. So to make this better, hey look, I think I found a big one. No, that's a rock, that sucks. To make this better, can you guys get this video to 50 likes? That's a big piece, throw it in there. Can you guys get this video to 50 likes? That'd be awesome if you can get it. Let's try to get to 50 likes. Thanks. Let's keep getting coal now. Alright guys, we don't quite have enough, I don't think, of coal. We have a good little bit. I don't think it's enough. So I've heard you can use lump charcoal, so we're probably going to do that. We're going to get some lump charcoal to go with our coal. So now it's a little bit of both. That sucks, just trying to find it on a train track. And we're going to do that tomorrow, because I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting dark, so we're going to have to wait up. Pretty sunset, yo. 50 likes. Let's do it. And then we'll forge tomorrow. Alright, guys, today is the next day. We got some more coal. We went to a different train tracks. We got a lot more coal. So we have enough coal now. And we're about ready to start the forge. We got that hair dryer that we gotta connect it to that air intake. So we're gonna get ready to start doing that. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of jerry rig it. We got a hair dryer. We got some duct tape. So let's just duct tape together. If I like coal forging, then I'll probably change it eventually. Get something that fits up nice, and probably something a little more high quality than just a hair dryer. For a first try, this is what we're gonna do. It'll work. We're just gonna give it a lot of duct tape. Tape fixes everything. Alright, that's probably good. Keep your knife sharp, they're more useful that way, guys. Okay, there we go, we got this part done. Now time to light it. Alright, we take out the coal out of the forge. You can see that air intake right there. So what we're gonna do, actually before we do that, we're gonna be smart and we're gonna put on our safety glasses. We don't want to be one-eyed Wesley. Their shirts, go check them out. Teespring, link down below. So let me throw these on real fast. Alright, we got our glasses on, we're safe, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna put this, so I've seen a lot of guys do, they have a big kind of ball of paper. So a ball of paper right there. Then we're gonna take a little bit of wood. We're just going to set this wood up a little bit. Basically just start a little, it's kind of a basic fire I feel like. Get some going across. Some more in there. just to kind of help it burn a little bit. And then we're going to take some coal. Let's get this bucket over here. Put some coal on it. And there goes our wood. Put some coal inside. Stay on there, come on. Put one more in there. Sorry for the camera angles, guys. I'm just by myself today, so doing all this one-handed. I think that's good. And now, okay, so let's turn this on. We've got our air going. Now let's start this. Looks like we got a little fire. Alright, so we're going to let that burn for a bit and I'll bring you guys back when it's roaring. Alright, so that is flaming a lot more than your usual coal forge. I need some help, so in the comments tell me what the heck I'm doing wrong, because this is looking a little crazy. But I'm still going to try to forge with it, so we'll see how it goes. So that's a big flame. What should we put in it first? I'm probably just going to throw like a railroad spike or something in there. But I'm going to throw something in, so let's go get it. Let's try to get this railroad spike in here. Kind of crazy. Shove it in there, I guess. Woo! Alright, it's in there. And this will be our fire poker. Oh, you're good. Let's get it out. I think it's hot. It's been in there for like 2 minutes or so. Oh, wow. Holy cow, it's like flaming hot. Like harder than I usually get steel. Dang. Alright, what should we make? Let's make a hook. How about? Gosh, that got hot. I actually, wow. I like that. Throw it in here. With some good scale. Looking pretty good. All right. I'm gonna drop that down a bit. Let's go in for one more heat, eh? I'll let the forge start now, because this is fun. Don't get the babies in the video. Oh. Hey, William, get away, William. William, get away, dude. Dude, stop it. Oh, come on. I need to get some better tongs for this stuff. Dang, it's hot. Woo! That's starting to melt. That is almost melted steel. Holy cow. Yeah, we could forge weld like easy like that. Holy cow. That's something you don't do every day, at least here. Woo! Almost done, bud. Almost. This hook got ugly once it started getting melted. Really ugly. I think we'll call it good for this hook. So there's a hook. Hey, I'm gonna give this away. I'll just give it to all the commenters and put them in the drawing. So comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and I'll give this hook away to someone. Let's make something else. Hey, Cooney. Hey. What's up? What's up? Do you like forging? Yeah. You like forging, huh? This is cool, guys. Definitely gonna be doing more of this and some more videos. Subscribe if you haven't. It really helps us. Small channel, trying to get bigger. Let's go. All right, guys, we got that small piece of steel. It's cut off from a leaf spring, so it's high carbon. We're gonna make a little knife out of it. Let's throw it in here. Right there. Gosh. The difficult part is getting these things situated in here, you know? I think that'll do it. All right. All right, first getting the knife. We didn't let it get as quite flaming hot as last time. Just flatten it out. It's going for another heat. Guys. We're just gonna make a blacksmith style knife. Another heat. Go get your One-Eyed Wesley shirts on Teespring. Let's go. Alright. Oh, that's hot. It melted it. It didn't used to be that short. Yeah, we melted it off. Gosh, we suck at this. Yeah, we melted about 2 inches off of that. Sorry. Now let's mark our handle. Give it about a 2.5 inch blade. Gosh, I hate coal. Well, it's because you're hammering while it's cold. No, that wasn't it. Yeah, it is. And you're deciding to melt it. We got too hot. We got that way too hot, so we're gonna do it again. Different piece of steel. I want you to be more careful. Alright. Be careful this time. a small keychain knife this time. Keep it simple. Alright, another heat. Go. Huh? Let's start the point. One thing about coal forging is it's really dirty. It doesn't come out clean like propane, you know? But it does get a lot hotter, so I do like that. Going again. No. Right there. Alright. Now this is just mild steel, I don't really care, it's not going to crack on me, as it does. Alright, we'll chop it off next time. You can stop it. There. There we go, let's get that. Look at some pliers. There it is. Just do a little straightening, and then we'll center punch it for a hole. There we go. Let's hold that there. We'll center punch it for a hole. And then we'll go drill it off camera. Okay. I think we're gonna call it good for a video today. So remember, we're gonna be giving 2 things away. We're giving away this hook. We're going to finish it, go drill some holes in it. And then we're going to give away this keychain knife in the comments. So comment down below. And then we'd really like it if you liked the video and share it with your friends. And please consider subscribing. Thanks. See you guys. Get our merch.